Hi everybody, this is the investing teacher, high school science teacher, teaching others how to invest. Just wanted to go over a few possible options for money coming in from the stimulus package. The Senate just approved stimulus for $1,400 per individual. I'm going to look at some cases where you could earn a little bit higher than a normal savings account, maybe paying 0.0 something percent, looking at about 0.5% per month in income through relatively safe cash secured puts. Let's get right to it. And so first, if you're new to the channel, I've been doing a lot of cash secured puts and covered calls. Just want to give an intro to the cash secured put side. In a cash secured put, you're essentially making a bet with another individual that you think that a stock price will go lower than a certain current price. For instance, if a stock's at 30, you might make a bet with someone saying, I'm willing to buy the shares at any time in the next, say, month, and I'm willing to buy it at 28 instead of 30. Now, obviously, to take this bet, you're going to need to get some money out of it. So you'll get what's called a premium. And then that premium could, depending on the riskiness of the stock, could be relatively small or relatively high. We're going to look at situations upcoming that are very low, pretty safe bets. Essentially, the stock hovers around 30 to 29 or so, and you make a bet at 26, 25. There's a very good chance that you're going to win that bet, and then you'll receive a little bit of income. We're also looking at pretty highly diversified sector ETFs for these, where it's a lot of big basket of companies. One particular company won't necessarily tank the whole ETF. And if you happen to get assigned by these, you could also sell covered calls. It's a wheel strategy, or essentially make the bet the other way. Let's say you own the shares at 25. You might make a bet with someone saying, I'm willing to sell it at 30 again. And obviously, to take this bet, you got to pay me something. So let's look at two relatively conservative ways. The first position is for XLF. It's the sector fund of the financial industry. So they take the S&P 500, and then they take most of the financial stocks. Currently, the stock price is at $33.71. So you could do a cash secured put saying, I'm going to bet it's going to get to 30. I'm going to agree to buy at 30 if it goes lower than that. But if it doesn't, you get to collect your premium. The bid currently, and it is a weekend, so it could change easily, is $15 because you take 15 cents times it by 100. So $15 divided by the $3,000 would end up being a 0.5% return. And this is for April 9th. So we're looking at a 0.5% return in the month. Also, the delta, that is the approximate chance that it won't get under 30, is 81%. So it's a pretty high probability that it will expire worthless, meaning you just get to collect your 0.5%. Now, since the bid is 0.15 and the ask is 0.32, you could most likely get a little bit higher than this, maybe 20, 25 cents, and then your return will be a little bit higher. Another option to look at is called XLE. This is the sector for the energy companies. So it's a little bit higher, looking at 46 strike price. Current stock ETF is at 52.97. So you have a big cushion in the stock price here. You could sell, again, for the beginning of April, make $36 out of the 46, or a 0.78 return. Relatively safe as well, at 79% chance of it not getting below that number. If it does get below that number, you could just sell covered calls in the other direction, earn more premium. Now, I do want to preface all of this by saying, if you obviously need the money, definitely use the money. If you have some purchases you want to be using with this stimulus, use those first. But if you already have a savings account, you're already saving for retirement, and you just want to leave this as a relatively safe bet to earn a little bit more than a savings account, this might be a good avenue. So again, I'm the investing teacher, high school science teacher, teaching others how to invest. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Any questions, thoughts, leave a comment down below. I read and make sure I respond to every comment I get. And see you guys next time.